Aloha everyone, Master Kwasha here. And to those of you that knows me and to those of you that doesn't know me, I would like to invite all of you to come join me in our 7 days retreat here in the Big Island of Hawaii. We will explore our spirituality, we will explore our physical body and how to be more balanced and harmonious in the way we live. We explore our mind, our emotions, and how to purify our thoughts, to purify our mind. So we create more harmonious way of existing in this world. And we will learn different shamanic teachings and the wisdom of the ancient uh, ancestors that we have, as well as the modern. We mix this ancient and the modern uh, way of living in this world. And so we're embodying the divine and the human aspect of us. And this 7 days retreat, you will fully evolve or rediscover yourself to be the person that you are, to really discover your true purpose of why you're here. It will open up your different energetic body. It will open up your purpose. It will help you to align with your soul. So this 7 days retreat is very powerful for those of you that are seeking to get to know yourself again or to rediscover yourself again. And this is very powerful time to awaken your soul. It's a very powerful time to awaken your spiritual body. It's very powerful time to awaken your senses, to awaken the way life that keeps unfolding in a way that just magical, that is bringing a lot of joy and pleasant experience in your life. We have a series of practices, and we're gonna explore different sacred areas in the island, and we're gonna uh, bless our waters. We're gonna do fire ceremony. We're gonna work on different elements in our world. We're gonna heal together. We're gonna resolve conflicts or trauma or pain in your childhood that was never released. We can work that out in the 7 day retreat. And some people that have not been opening their abilities or gifts, we can open that up in the 7 days. It's very powerful time. So I invite you to come and join our 7 days retreat here in the Big Island. And it's gonna be so amazing. It's gonna be so magical. It's just gonna awaken every part of who you are, every part of your soul, and make you so healthy. We're gonna eat very healthy food, and we're gonna clear a lot of your energy. So this is one of the most powerful retreat that you can come to join here. It's the most powerful retreat that you can learn about yourselves, the most powerful retreat that you can align in the universe and be harmonious with the universe. It's the most powerful retreat to love yourself more, to care yourself more. It's a very powerful retreat to rejuvenate and renew your spirit. So come join us and and register for this event, for this retreat that is coming, and we will see you here in the Big Island. It's such an honor to serve you. Mahalo.